everyone, so welcome back to this channel, and today my name is Aisyah, and today I will share with you on how I do my go-to hijab style. So firstly, what you need to do is what you need to have is basically a shawl and just a pin. So the material of shawl that I use is actually satin because it's like more flowy, and it is easy to adjust your awning. So that is why I like this shawl. So firstly, what you need to do is to make sure both of your shawls are equal length, and then pick one side of your shawl and pin it here. Pin it right here. Okay, make sure to not poke yourself. Okay, now that you need to adjust the back of your hijab. So just bring it back. It depends on what you want. Not for me, I like it to be like not so short and not too long, and then pick the pin side of it to down and just bring it back to the back. And for the remaining side, to just take it and toss it at the back. Okay, now what you need to do is to just tie both of your tudung, okay, like this. Now you are remain with this. Now this is the most important part for girls, because if your awning doesn't really turns out like what you want, you can be like moody for the whole day. So now what you need to do is just take a pin, okay, this pin, and I just like to pin it here. It really depends on what your face size looks. For me, my face is kind of round, so I like my shawl to be like a little bit more pointy at the top, and then just tied it up. Okay. That is how I usually do my go-to hijab tutorial. Yeah, it's very simple.